channel Happy to Crochet. Thanks for joining. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how I crochet this beautiful little dress for baby girl between 9 to 12 months old. Now this little dress I said is for baby girl between 9 to 12 months old, but you can make this smaller or bigger by just working the yoke height. Just be sure to check the description box below. I will leave some information on how you can work your yoke smaller or bigger. Okay, so let's get started and thank you for watching. Also, at the end of this tutorial, I will leave you the finished measurement of this dress. For today's tutorial, I am using AB Hariri 100% acrylic yarn, and it is 40 gram and 132 meters. It is made in Turkey, and the color what I am using is number 222 and number 149. Now recommended size hook for this yarn is 3.5 mm, but I will be using here 3 mm crochet hook. We need scissor, measuring tape and a darning needle to sew the ends. My yoke is ready. I will leave the link below in the description for this yoke. So now I'm going to attach my new color yarn. For that, I am going to slip stitch into this third chain, 1, 2 and 3 here. I'm going to leave this color yarn and I'm going to grab my new color. I have already made a slip knot over here. I am going to pull this yarn and I'm going to slip stitch like this. Now I'm going to snip off this yarn. Now for our skirt pattern, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So this is my 1 double crochet. Now I'm going to work my 1 double crochet into the same stitch. This is 2, chain 1 and again into the same space I'm going to work 2 double crochet. Now I'm going to skip 3 stitches. So this is my 1, 2 and 3. Into the 4th stitch I'm going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. Again I'm going to skip 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. Into the 4th I'm going to work 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. So continue to repeat this sequence until the end, and I will show you what to do next after reaching at this point. So now I'm at the end and I have 7 stitches, so I will skip 1 2 3 into the 4th. I'm going to work 1 shell, and now from this row onwards, every time you finish the row you will end in the same way. You're going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain here, then we have this double crochet. We are going to slip stitch and we are going to slip stitch into this chain 1 space. So every row you will end like this. Now you are going to chain 3 and work 1 shell into the same chain. So this is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Then you are going to work into this chain 1 space, shell, that is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet. Again into this chain 1 you are going to work shell, that is 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet. So continue to repeat this, and one come to this end and I will show you what to do next. So I am at the end of round 2 and I am going to slip stitch into this 3rd chain. Then I'm going to slip stitch on top of this 1 double crochet and then into this chain 1. After finishing round 1 and 2, I have altogether 29 shells. So you need to continue and repeat row 2 until your desired length of the skirt or of the dress. The total height of the dress should be around 38 to 40 centimeters. So continue to work and I will meet you after finishing my skirt. So here's the little dress all done. This is the front. This is the bottom. Let me show you the back. This is the back, what it looks like. I went ahead and sewed the buttons too. This is the bottom of the back side. So that is what it looks like. Now let me give you the finished measurement. So from the top of the neckline to the end of the sleeves, it measures about 11 centimeter, which is about 4.5 inches. Now from the top of the neckline to the end of this dress, it is measuring about 40 centimeter, which is about 15.75 inches. Now the yoke, it measures about 12 centimeter, which is again about 4.75 inches. Now the chest, this part, it measures about 25.5 centimeter, which is about 10 inches. So based on these measurements, this dress is for baby girl between 9 to 12 months old. Okay, so this was for today's tutorial. I hope you liked it and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.